Force has types indeed. Let us have a look on it. Based on the direction in which the forces act, they can be classified into two types. Number 1, like parallel forces. Number 2, unlike parallel forces. Like parallel forces. What are like parallel forces? Two or more forces of equal or unequal magnitude acting along the same direction parallel to each other are called like parallel forces. Then what is unlike parallel force? If two or more equal forces or unequal forces act along opposite directions parallel to each other, then they are called unlike parallel forces. Action of forces are given in the table. Resultant force. When several forces act simultaneously on the same body, then the combined effect of the multiple forces can be represented by a single force, which is termed as resultant force. It is equal to the vector sum of all the forces, that is, adding the magnitude of forces with their direction. If the resultant force of all the forces acting on a body is equal to 0, then the body will be in equilibrium. Such forces are called balanced forces. If the resultant force is not equal to 0, then it causes the motion of the body due to unbalanced forces. Here are some examples for clarity. Drawing water from a well, force applied with a crowbar, forces on a weight balance, etc. A system can be brought to equilibrium by applying another force, which is equal to the resultant force in magnitude but opposite in direction. Such force is called as equilibrant. Rotating effect of force. Have you observed the position of the handle in a door? It is always placed at the edge of door and not at some other place. Why? Have you tried to push a door by placing your hand closer to the hinges or the fixed edge? What do you observe? The door can be easily opened or closed when you apply the force at a point far away from the fixed edge. In this case, the effect of the force you apply is to turn the door about the fixed edge. This turning effect of the applied force is more when the distance between the fixed edge and the point of application of force is more. The axis of the fixed edge about which the door is rotated is called as the axis of rotation. Now, fix one end of a rod to the floor or wall and apply a force at the other end tangentially. The rod will be turned about the fixed point, which is called as point of rotation. Moment of the force. The rotating or turning effect of a force about a fixed point or a fixed axis is called moment of the force about that point or torque, which we represent using tau. It is measured by the product of the force, that is F, and the perpendicular distance d between the fixed point or the fixed axis and the line of action of the force. That is, tau is equal to F into d. Torque is a vector quantity. It is acting along the direction perpendicular to the plane containing the line of action of force and the distance. Its SI unit is Newton meter. Couple. Two equal and unlike parallel forces applied simultaneously at two distinct points constitute a couple. The line of action of the two forces does not coincide. It does not produce any translatory motion since the resultant is 0. But a couple results in the causes of the rotation of the body. Rotating effect of a couple is known as moment of a couple. Here we have some examples for your clarity. Turning a tap, winding or unwinding a screw, spinning of a top, and so on. Moment of a couple is measured by the product of any one of the forces and the perpendicular distance between the line of action of two forces. The turning effect of a couple is measured by the magnitude of its moment. That is, moment of a couple is equal to force multiplied by perpendicular distance between the line of action of forces. That is, m is equal to F multiplied by S. The unit of moment of a couple is Newton meter in SI system and dyne centimeter in CGS system. By convention, the direction of moment of a force or couple is taken as positive if the body is rotated in the anticlockwise direction and negative if it is rotated in the clockwise direction.